Hey everybody, this is Daniel here from Screenly. Today we're going to show you how to show a ClickUp dashboard on your Screenly digital sign. So ClickUp here is a super popular project management tool for teams. They have a ton of different features. They're very common to like a Notion or a Monday, where you can essentially keep everything in one place, assign tasks, track those tasks over time, and see how your team is doing with some retrospective metrics on how different projects are going. So something super useful to display on a digital sign because once you're showing that data, people can talk about it and see where the team's aligned or misaligned or how the team's positioned for upcoming deadlines. So yeah, so we're going to jump into it here. The first step is to go to your online Screenly account and then click the Screens tab on the left-hand side. What we want to do then is click Add Screen, and we're going to add a Screenly Anywhere web-based screen. So what this means is that you are launching a screen and showing it with your existing hardware on a modern web browser without having to set up any physical digital signage players. So to do that, we go to anywhere.screenly.io. This pulls up a pairing screen. We have to add this pairing code to our account so our Screenly account knows where to send the digital signage content. So that's 2J76. Okay, we're going to put that in 2J76. Okay, and then the next part here, DXCK. So DXCK, and we're going to call this test screen, and we're going to click save or add, sorry. And so how it works in Screenly is we have the content, and then we send that content to playlists where we take care of scheduling, and we send those playlists then to screens. So we have the screen now. Now we need the content. So to do that, we go to our ClickUp account here, and you'll see we have different team spaces. We're going to go to Project 1 here. And Project 1 here, it's just a list of our different to-dos and where the status of each of them. And in order to share that here, we're going to go to share on the top right. Here, click share. And we're going to, below here, click share this view. The top stuff is really for getting other people to collaborate. So share this view. Again, we want to make sure that it's share a link with anyone so that there's public access here. And we're going to click copy public link. And then we're going to go back to our Screenly account and click content, and then we're going to click new content. In the pop-up modal, we click URL, and then we can paste in that share link. So we click finish, and here it's just adding to our account where we can title it and then save it. And then we'll start adding it to our playlist. So here we go. URL is just transferring. Perfect. Okay. Sometimes it takes a moment to load the preview here. We have it already loaded up here, so click up here. So what we want to do then is assign that content to a playlist. We're going to just keep it all clean here. Perfect. And we can create a new playlist here. So we can just call this project project management. Okay, and what we need to do with this playlist here is add that content. So click up, we're going to add that here, done, perfect, and we're going to schedule it so it plays right now. And we need to assign this playlist to our test screen that we just made. So be sure to do that, click save. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to have this playlist saved here. Okay, so we have now is the content that we added. We have a playlist. That playlist has that content and then also is playing on our test screen. And we can navigate to the test screen here, and we can see here that the ClickUp dashboard is queued to load and start displaying momentarily. So yeah, so super simple and easy. That's how you do it with Screenly, how you can display ClickUp project management dashboards onto your digital signs. If you have any questions, let us know. We're super happy to help. You can get started with Screenly with a 30-day free trial. Test it out for yourself. Get your own ClickUp dashboards up and running. Again, you can use Screenly Anywhere screens for getting some digital signs running with no hardware required at all. So again, let us know if you have any questions, and welcome to ScreenLink.